Arsenal 2, Wolves 0. Arsenal fan. But it just the sweet you. But guy, why you wear glasses?
Why wear glasses?
You know they see.
At the vessel. I'm not remember they see my face. I don't remember they see my face at all.
But now win today, why you dey vex?
Yes, now we win now. Not say they go say every season. We'll go again next season.
Aye.
We'll go again next season.
Okay.
But the season be this.
Which season?
No, they go anywhere again.
So for your mind.
Now the season be this. And the season be this.
And the pity-
Nothing come out. Now the season.
I pity you and your fellow Arsenal fans. But well, how you see the game today?
If I'm to be honest with you, the game, you know, say league just the start, so everybody still they show their energy, everybody they show their strength. So people still get fun. Arsenal played well, but not really that intense game where Arsenal they give us where we know. But I can say everybody still strong. But the main thing we say now who carry the win in 9 matter pass 2-0 clean sheet, very good win, everywhere good. So we move. That one don't go 3 points.
So you say Arsenal played well, but they not give you the waiting Arsenal they give you.
Normally
So
Arsenal
it think say that it think say so if you shock you say this season now, Arsenal go collect woto. If you shock you, make it no be like say una win last 2 season, una do well last 2 season, do well last season. And another season be this so.
Now a team like Man U, now they shock. You know what I tell you so?
Okay.
If any team they come play Man U, they feel say there is this, they get chance to do something, they feel collect points.
So if you
If
say
they play Arsenal, their mentality be say more defend first, more try double up on Saka, double up on Martinelli. So they conserve themselves, they try take on counter. See what team Wolves do today now.
if you are being
You know
honest,
start with that guy in ginger till they collect one, they can't come out.
I will hold you by your word. You say if you are being honest.
Yeah.
You don't see the kind game we was playing now.
Na second half now.
Second half.
They don't come out now, they don't collect now.
Was play no be one no only one goal na don score
As
them now.
they come out now, they do small, but nothing more. They don't watch team what they do. They just
Okay,
na possession now.
Possession,
How many
yes.
shots they get one now?
They play now, boy. I know so many say where I
They don't do much there.
You know,
Errors,
you
small
know,
errors.
you know
plenty.
errors. See how many errors.
Nothing come out,
See
guy.
the error when they do for na 18.
Carry this league, they come Emirates.
No problem. You go shock on
Carry league, come
no be today we
Emirates.
begin hear that one. You know they fear people again.
Our season be this.
Na so that's every season now na season. But no
Fantastic.
problem. Fantastic.
So
So
every good.
why Arteta no dey make changes on time? Why? People go tired. He go leave them there. Today game, Partey was tired. He still left Partey for that game. Wetin dey happen?
Well, now I be the coach now, and I still don't make the changes now. The goal come.
Yes.
Because that time I still 1-0. Me say I the same main change, me do 1 or 2. I say this guy don't tire, 2-3 don't tire.
And Partey start that when they consider that free kick.
But he was looking tired anyway. But the main thing now, we collect the winning, so everywhere good.
Okay, and wetin you feel say Arsenal fit work on going forward, because today they no really play like the Arsenal way of last season wey we used to see. So wetin you feel say they fit work on, make they fit improve their game, because even na this thing Arsenal wan play this season, oh boy, they go collect o. No
I'm not sure say they will collect.
No play for Moscow.
I'm not sure they will collect because now still that same team, 9 play. Maybe they don't tell they play together like 3 months now.
Una no play preseason.
So no, most players no dey preseason now. Saka no play preseason.
Okay, by this time last season,
Saka
most
no-
go don collect like 4-0.
No, first game no play that kind of high score line now. Now the momentum you go dey build am small.
No go see
You
na.
dey build am, even Liverpool na 2-0, Man U na 1-0. Score line no dey just plenty like that. Everybody energy still high. All the whole players energy dey full. So no fit just come dey hit person anyhow like that. So na gradual process. So next game now, I like as we dey play better team sef this first 5 games. No be say after you don dey weak anything. If we play Aston Villa, go City, Tottenham, straight, time no dey.
Well, no problem. But today,
Bring the games they come.
una no still play California, but I'm sure he will still get the start.
Calafari will get his own work. Maybe if they play against maybe they want to rotate Gabriel or get bigger team where they play. This kind of game, this people they defend now. So you need creative left back like Zinchenko. Man, they tear the places. They open the.
Last season, I tell you, say
the
Gabriel.
areas.
That Gabriel is, you know, get confidence on the ball. And
You like
Saliba, they cover around. Today again, see what they play. See the kind pressure where they put for home box twice.
No,
If to say
intra.
Wolves capitalize on that thing, if we don't score now,
I have to say, but that one don't
you
go.
know go green now because now you're player. So yeah, so for today's game, who you feel say now for you, who is your man of the match for this game?
Nobody is spectacular like that. So I'll give him Saka because he brought the winning goal at the right time. and one of the take-ons when he gets, and one or two chances when he creates for first half. So, now he crossed that ball where they use score. Where Havertz use score?
Yes.
Yeah. I've got the final of the match. Name one of the
Nine
match.
crossed the ball for
Nine crossed the ball. It's called Havertz use score now.
Assist one.
Score one. Nine man of the match. Yeah. Fantastic players. Now star boy now. Everywhere good. Everywhere good.
Why nobody score? As where they collect 200 at an age.
Everywhere good.
Small boy like and they collect 200,000.
Yeah, enjoy.
Well, when a few see when I still need striker, is Arsenal still in the market for a striker? Have you when I don't?
Money, it's just a money day. You know, say they don't sign Raya. You don't pay money now. Almost at 5 million. 35 for Calafiori. How much you made again?
When I sell
They don't
Smith
sell
Rowe,
70.
when I sell Smith Rowe, when I deceive food and give them Smith Rowe, collect at 5 million for them. When I carry the money wrong.
So I don't even know how much you meant for bank, how much you want to give the man, you sign.
That's not they sign. They don't spend
I
money.
don't know which striker self even they not for better money. Or let's say the carry person on loan. If the figure was a similar on loan, move his whole body. Like Havertz, like you want to go in chop with us time, but what can we do?
One I want sell in Ketia upon. Ketia day now. My few money in Ketia and give bread.
Also will give you league.
Very good.
If we give you league.
Okay, I know get who no go sign me on a carry league. That's now.
So give us league. Well, anyhow, we could watch now. Anything can happen. They sign play under 2 days, under 3 days.
Yeah.
As time go, that's 1st of August. So the money for the drop.
So defense done solid. Midfield done solid.
Defense everywhere good now. Midfield the Merino come now. Midfield even they okay beat. Merino come everywhere good. And just attack 9. Everywhere good. If attack no come, well, we go. Our season with this. Not like say we go again next season.
But the confident way they talk say na your season with this, they shock me.
If you no do am again, why go one do am now?
But it go shock you say you no go do am now.
Who want challenge?
Who want challenge?
Yeah, who want challenge?
Last 2 seasons, who challenge you?
Nobody in our city because we lose game now.
Last season, who challenge? They don't lose game.
Okay, this season not. Hey,
I pity you.
The camera go play City.
I pity you.
The camera go play City, eh? You know say you self, you know now say me and mine you don't get business again. Me and Chelsea no get business again. Also they collect City. Mine na home and away. Chelsea home and away.
Until they play match.
City self, that City no collect points.
They go play match.
Also really my problem again.
Now body go
so
play.
So we focus on winning all our game.
Arsenal not be too much. I don't know say Arsenal fans get mouth like this. So. Now last 2 seasons and last season, now I know say Arsenal get plenty church for their mind.
But church they show working. That's say 1 or 2 distant goals.
They show working.
Okay, that is the top through now.
Okay, no, the top through.
Second leg, 19 games, guy. 19 games, only 1 lose.
Okay.
Only 1.
What is
and
your evidence? Say una play well. No evidence. Second position for Premier League.
It's well. It's very painful, but nothing.
Organa pain.
Go run am.
Teams dey Premier League to inflict pain.
Go run am.
Well, I wish you all the best, but
thank you very much.
I don't see Arsenal doing anything spectacular. But let's see, because no be alone na there. Other teams dey there who wan still carry the league.
Like who?
Man City dey there na.
After Man City.
Man U dey there. Newcastle is there.
Where Man U dey?
Aston Villa is there. Man U dey na.
Man U dey where?
Man U dey. Newcastle dey. Aston Villa dey. Newcastle even won their game today with red card.
You bless enter with the hit Man U. Bless again test of this Man U. It is about Man U. Okay, come out open. Then they put 1 leg here. I'm a Man U fan.
No, I know they support any club.
I'm
a fan of football.
Mine and my wife. They marry Man U.
No, and they support good football. If I see good thing, I go talk.
Them so keep supporting good football.
Now good football. Last season I said it now. Arsenal played good.
So then they say Man U they challenge for trophy this season. Not lie.
Everybody they challenge. See the
no,
no.
Only Man City.
No.
And Arsenal.
No. The 20
other people stay behind.
The 20 teams where they EPL. They challenge for trophy.
Yeah, challenge.
You cannot count anybody.
That's one cancer presence.
No problem.
As game start, we know you're.
No problem. Now time go tell Sha.
Nothing come.
No problem. I support good football and I hope because it's been a long time. Arsenal.
I'm not gonna wear glasses. Man, I need to see my face.
Okay, I know they fear your face. So.
I'm not gonna see my face. My blood is hot. Okay,
I give you your final thoughts. I beg on way forward. If you like,
much, everywhere good now. Now Aston Villa now. They spoil our league last season. They go away.
They fit spoil our again this season.
They don't fit. Now destroy. If they spoil, I'll give you €100.
€100.
Yes.
Fans, when I don't hear that.
Spoil, I go €100.
Aston Villa will make me proud, and I'll be €100 future.
Nothing. I can find my way.
Okay.
We'll go sit for front.
Take care, my brother.
Right.
And if Aston Villa beats you next game,
our guy, they don't go
from that €100, I'll buy you beer.
I know they drink beer again.